If you want to add a step counter into the home screen on POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra, then what you can do is you can press and hold your finger on an empty space in the home screen. And then once you are in this editing mode, you should be able to go to widgets. And then among these widgets, which mostly, if not all of them here, are provided by Xiaomi or POCO, in here you should be able to eventually find the step counter stats widget, which we can of course use. We can press add in order to add it to the list, to the home screen I mean, and of course you should be able to use it. You might need to tap on the widget for the first time in order to grant some permissions. Over here we can change the goal, how many steps we want to take daily, and then they should be displayed in here. But in addition to that, there's actually one more way. We can of course use Android widgets. So if we go to widgets in here, we have Android widgets, and then you might be able to find Fitbit app. I'm not sure if it's actually pre-installed. There's a chance that it is not, and it seems that it is not. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the Play Store, and the reason why I'm mentioning this specific app is because it is a Google's app, which usually is just good enough to, you know, to track these things. So you can search for Fitbit and you should be able to find this app. We're gonna install it, and it also has a widget that we can add to the home screen. Of course, first you will have to set it up, so we're gonna open it pretty much immediately after that. I'm gonna just sign in with Google, and this is of course the quickest way to proceed to set it up. So I can recommend you doing this, and you might need to grant some permissions of course, and set up some things as you of course use the app for the first time. But after that, of course, we can add a widget. So we're gonna go back to widgets again. Let's go to Android widgets. And then in here, we just need to find the Fitbit app. Let's see if we're gonna find it. There we go. And I'm gonna use this 2x2 widget because usually this 2x2 widget has the step counter. There we go. And of course, we can also change the size of the widget quite easily. If you want to, you can make it slightly smaller without any issues. And that's pretty much it. So as you can see, we have a couple of different ways. If needed, of course, you can use a third-party app if it provides a widget. Fitbit is just one example. If you want to, you can try to find another third-party app if you want to. And if not, then you can use the widget that is provided by Xiaomi or POCO. And that is it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.